Ladies, if you're learning how to do push-ups, here's a simple and effective way to build your strength and master the movement. If your goal is to perform a narrow grip full push-up where your arms stay close to your body and lightly brush your sides, start with a modified version. Begin by placing your knees on the floor for support. Keep your hands under your shoulders and rotate your arms inward, not outward. This helps you feel the correct alignment and teaches your body how a proper push-up should look and feel. Slowly lower your chest all the way down and then push back up. Focus on the full range of motion. Once this becomes comfortable, you can progress to a wider hand position. Wide push-ups are a little easier than narrow ones, and you can still keep your knees on the floor while you build strength and confidence. Practice consistently and maintain a good form, and take it one step at a time. You've got this. Keep pushing. Here are some effective and supportive workouts that help you build the strength needed for solid push-ups. The first one being planks. Hold a plank for 20 to 45 seconds and do at least 3 rounds of them. Followed by tricep dips, where your push-ups rely heavily on triceps, especially the narrow grip push-ups. Do some lightweight chest presses. And always, if you can, add some shoulder taps to your planks. Do these exercises and see and notice the progress you make in your push-ups. Comment if you like this video and share and subscribe to my channel.